So hello guys, welcome to a new video. In our last two videos, we discussed about robot and AI and talking about Sophia. You can get this video links in the description and here in the I button. Today I will tell you how to start robotics for absolute beginners. Do you want to make electronic projects and robots and you don't know how to do them? Then this video is for you. I will tell you 3 steps, just follow them. So let's start. Step 1. You need to learn coding language. So you'll tell, why we need to learn programming language? We just need to do the hardware things now. Then the answer is, machines are dumb before they are programmed. So you should learn programming language. Then you'll tell, there are so many languages like Python, Java, C, C++, what I have to do. So you should learn C language and C++ because it's easy to learn for beginners and it's a low level language and it's used to program machines. For example, I'll tell you to subscribe this channel. You will go and subscribe. I am giving you instructions to subscribe this channel in English. So it's like instructions for them in their language. So if you learn programming language, you can give instructions for them in their language. Now the step 2, learn electronics. For learning electronics, you need an Arduino board. Arduino board is a microcontroller board designed for beginners. If you don't have any knowledge of electronics, also you can do amazing projects in this Arduino board, like drones and DIY robots, and many more projects. Arduino is a small computer that you can use to receive input from sensors and commands such as electric motors to do some projects. The main thing is Arduino is programmed by C and C++ that you have learned. Arduino is very popular. It is used in industries also. And I am also learning Arduino. You can buy this Arduino or you can buy the full Arduino kit that contains sensors. If you buy Arduino kit, the Lego Arduino kit is good. But not only Arduino, but you can use Raspberry Pi also. It is also same as Arduino, but Arduino is good for beginners. Now the step 3. The step 3 is, now you learn C programming and Arduino. Now then start making projects and you can make a small DIY robot that can talk and walk. If you want amazing tutorial videos and projects, I gave a channel link in the description. See it and subscribe and like my channel. And if you want to join my Discord server, link in the description for talking with me. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
When you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
Why not?
I don't ever give up.